Hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Boujee on a Budget. Today we are going to be making some form of a brat, I suppose. I got these pork and caramelized onion sausages, which sounded so good. I'm gonna just throw them on a bun with some caramelized onions, and this is the first time I'm making this recipe. These sausages, I could have gotten 2 for £5 and saved some money, but I just got one, which was £3. The onions were 90p. The brioche buns, I got these brioche buns, were I think £1. So I mean, what is that? One for like £5 to make, and then balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil in order to caramelize the onions. But besides that, that's usually stuff you have at home, so it's about £5 to make, and it makes 6 brats. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 brats. Perfect. So let's get cooking. Okay, so we're gonna start by just getting these onions cut. This is a little update. Apparently cutting onions really gets to me. Holy cow. Okay. I'm good. Coat the bottom with oil and butter. Okay, we're just gonna let that melt and then bring that oil and butter to like a bubbly simmer. And then we're gonna add in the onions. Okay, so this is perfect. We're gonna take our onions. We're gonna add those in. Gently, don't hit yourself with that oil. Let those cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, and after 10 minutes we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Okay, they are finally done, so it's time to put it to the test. Okay, I am not gonna lie, I am a bit nervous. It looks absolutely incredible. I'm just, I don't know, it's a new recipe. I always get a little bit nervous to taste test because they're all new recipes, so without further ado, oh my god, that is actually really, really good. There's a lot of bun. It's like candy mixed with sausage, but more of a candy sweet flavor because I added so much sugar. I would definitely be making these again, and I'm sure this will heat up really well. So